Hello everyone and welcome. Today we have this beautiful white Lexus finished in the pearl color and it is coming for the full body PPF application. So today I'm going to explain to you what exactly is a tuck-in application. A tuck-in application is one where the edges of the PPF are tucked around edges so that you don't get to see the edges after the installation is done. So here in the front bumper we have removed the tow cover, the fog lamp bezel, the windshield washer, as well as we have loosened the edge of the bumper so that we can install the PPF along the inner edge and the outer edge will not be visible. So wherever possible to give you a seamless install, especially here on the A pillar, around the mirror, around the window beadings, the door handles, this garnish, and here also around the tail lights, which we take off the spoiler and we also take off the bumper again. So here the advantage is that you get a very seamless install and anybody looking at the car cannot make out that there is a PPF applied.
A few moments later.
Here I am going to demonstrate to you the exceptional stretchability and the flexibility of the PPF. So now he is going to actually climb on top of the PPF. So you can see the flexibility and the strength. So as you can see, the PPF is stretching. This is a premium TPU material and it is not giving way. So folks, if you want the best TPU at the best performance, please do get in touch with us. So here I'm going to show you. We are going to try to pierce the PPF with the screwdriver. So as you can see, it's not penetrating through the PPF. It exhibits an amazing level of tensile strength. So we're going to do it in another spot now.
Don't do it to me. I beg you. No.
Nothing. You have nothing to do with this decision.
Where you go?
So again, there's no penetration of the PPF. We're going to do it in another spot. So there's a lot of stretchiness and flexibility in the PPF. These are the benefits of installing a proper premium thermoplastic urethane PPF. So do get in touch with us and we can also help you and also save your investment from minor dents and scratches. Give you a demo of how we do the actual cutting of the paint protection film when it is applied on areas of your car. So for the cutting process, we have a very high-end grade of steel. These blades are imported from Japan and they are also angled at a very specific angle for the premium cutting process. So here I'm going to give you a demo of our team. Please do not try this at home. So as you can see over here, there is no cut and this is how we avoid damage to your car. So our team goes through several steps of training before they are allowed to cut PPF on your car. So you can be rest assured that we are not going to be having any kind of damage on your car and we are going to take care of your car and keep it protected.